In the next few videos, we're going to be looking at the creation and a discussion of styles in InDesign. We're going to be starting off with paragraph styles. We're going to move on to character styles, and we're then going to move on to object styles. So what are the styles? Styles can be loosely defined as reusable formatting properties that we can apply to either a paragraph, to characters or text, or to an object within a document. There's understandably confusion when it comes to making a decision whether to use paragraph styles or character styles. When using a paragraph style, we include not only paragraph level attributes such as alignment, margins, drop caps, but we also deal with character level styling such as font size, leading, and kerning. These are the attributes that make up a paragraph style. Let's try and visualize the analogy of building a house. The base or the foundation of the house can be thought of as the paragraph style. The paragraph style holds up everything and is the foundation for the other text that is housed within the document. Styles are really an essential part of typesetting, as when one wishes to make a change to a document, using styles enables you to not have to manually scroll through and locate each section. You simply change the style and the document contents will change accordingly. Let's open up the document called Paragraph and Character Styles. This file has been provided for you in the download section of this tutorial. With the document open, let's now go and select and highlight by triple clicking in the text frame and highlighting the first paragraph. Let's now go and style this highlighted text in the character panel as follows. Let's use Arial Regular. We'll just type in ARI and we can space R for Arial Regular. Let's use a size of 14 points and let's adjust the leading to 18. We've now styled the text in this paragraph. We're now going to navigate to the Paragraph Styles panel. Again, we do that from the window menu. We navigate down to Styles and we select Paragraph Styles. And here our Paragraph Styles panel is open. We're now going to create a new style, but to prevent any further overrides, we're going to hold the Option or the Alt key as we click on Create a New Style. Let's start off at the top of this panel and let's not call it Paragraph Style 1, but let's call this one, for example, Body Text. It's just easier to refer to when we're looking to reuse this style. Ensure that Apply Style to Selection is ticked. And if we now go and look in the basic character formats, we can see that these formats have been adopted and transferred into this paragraph style. We're now going to click OK. We now notice that the body text paragraph style has been created. We'll come back to using this in a short while. I'm just going to go and save the document. We'll save this as Paragraph and Character Styles. So that is the basis of creating a paragraph style. Let's now examine what is a character style. The character style goes on top of the paragraph style. So in essence, we're now changing each room of the house to have a different appearance while still keeping the basic house structures the same. We add character to each room by using a character style. For example, different carpets, tiles, or coloring, or flooring. Let's go and create a character style. We click on the selection tool. We click out of the page on the pasteboard. We make sure that nothing is selected in the document. We make sure nothing is selected because when we're formatting the character style, we don't want any of these attributes to apply to the paragraph style. We're now going to open up the Character Styles panel. We do that from the window menu. We navigate down to Styles and we select Character Styles. Now we have our Character Styles panel open. Let's go and create a new character style. Again, we will hold the Option or the Alt key and click to create a new character style. And let's name this appropriately. Let's call this one, for example, Italics. We now navigate to the basic character formats And from the font style, we're going to select italic. And we click OK. We can check this out by highlighting, for example, the heading, and click on the italics character style, and now your text has been italicized. We'll undo that with Ctrl Z or Command Z. Let's go and create yet another character style. We navigate down to the character styles panel. You hold the Option or the Alt key. You click on create a new character style. Let's call this one bold. We navigate to basic character formats, the font style. We scroll down through the options and we select the bold option and we click OK. What we're going to do now is we're going to create another character style, this time using character color. We navigate to the bottom of the character styles panel. We click on the Option or Alt key. We click on add a new character style, and this one we will call color. We now navigate to the character color section, and let's create it in a dark blue, and let's click OK. So we now have our three character styles that we have created. Let's go and apply paragraph styles to the remaining text. I'm now going to highlight that text. We're going to navigate to the paragraph styles and we're going to click on body text. Now the body text has been formatted according to our style. Let's now go and change headings using character style. So let's go and select the heading. Let's go back to character styles. Let's go select bold. Let's go select italics, and let's go select color. We're going to do the same on the other headings. We're going to apply bold, italics, and we can go and apply bold and italics.